Hi everyone and welcome! The subject of today's video is really important for anyone who works on creative projects. I'm going to explain how I managed to work productively, stress-free and self-motivated within the last 3 years. For some this may sound like no big deal, but for many others it may seem impossible. That is why I decided to dedicate this video to this topic. We are all people with thoughts that are to some extent habitual, and habits are often shaped by our environment. And thoughts are what mold our character. 7 years ago I wouldn't have been able to do what I am doing now. This is because I didn't have the mindset to make the kind of work I do today at all possible. I wasn't surrounded by highly productive people. They were mostly unmotivated students like myself. But thank God at some point I discovered some books that showed me that it was possible to change everything for the better. I knew I had to read books like these to pave the way for my dreams to become a reality. Over the following years I chose to indoctrinate myself, in a good way of course. One notable example is that I read through The War of Art at least 20 times from start to finish. I did this to make the thoughts of the author part of my own. To work on my goals, my mindset would have to change radically. Thankfully it worked out well and I'm still gaining new insights to this day. If you have already read The War of Art, I can recommend more great books in the comments section if you like. Developing a daily routine is one major thing that has helped me to put my new mental attitude into action. By paying attention to my own state of mind at any time during my workday, I developed a highly optimized work structure suitable for my needs. Everything I'm about to describe is based on my own experience over many years, and your personal experience may vary of course. Since I do a lot of mentally exhausting tasks, I have adopted the Pomodoro Technique as the basis for my daily checklist. Pomodoro is Italian for tomato, and the principle is that you cut off many slices of the tomato instead of eating it in one go. So you work for say half an hour, then take a 5-minute break and then repeat until you have finished your day's work. You may find this hard to believe, but when programming, working more than half an hour at a time drains your concentration exponentially. And I found that it will also reduce your power of concentration for the rest of the day. So sticking to your preferred time intervals is extremely important. Even if you want to finish just this one small thing before taking a break, don't. Take the break now and finish it in the next interval. What is also important is to take proper breaks. That means doing absolutely nothing and just lying down for 5 minutes. This is also the reason why I don't see Pomodoro ever becoming popular in companies, because it's completely ineffective if employees can't master the discipline to adhere to it exactly. In addition to my Pomodoro practice, I also do a little bit of exercise after each break, which helps me to stay alert. For example, some pull-ups, lifting weights or push-ups. Crucially, I also take ice-cold showers. They have a tremendously positive impact on the whole body and mind. Additionally, I do 1 or 2 10-minute meditation breaks each day, which helps clear the mind. It's kind of like being asleep, but without the sleepiness. I also do some daily eye exercises so I can see clearly and won't have to ever wear glasses. There are of course more things on my checklist, but they aren't as important, so I won't mention them here. I hope you like my summary of how I work in a way which enables me to stay on track consistently. Is there anything valuable you like to incorporate into your workday? Please let me know about it in the comment section. I also appreciate your questions. Please subscribe and smash that bell button to get notified of more interesting content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video on Project Pisces.